Let's take a look at the unit circle. We're going to introduce the unit circle. We're going to establish a relationship between degrees and radians, and we're going to convert between degrees and radians. A unit circle, it's a circle with a radius of 1 unit, and that's really all there is to a unit circle. Now, let's look at how we can establish the relationship between degrees and radians. So the circumference of a unit circle is 2 pi because circumference is 2 pi r and the radius is 1, so circumference is equal to 2 pi. And also the sum of angles in a full rotation is 360 degrees. So you can see when you have a full rotation, that's the same thing as the circumference. So 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi radians. So let's establish some other relationships. So 1 degree is equal to 2 pi divided by 360 radians. We use RAD for that. So 1 degree is pi over 180 radians. And then 1 radian is 360 degrees divided by 2 pi, which is going to be 180 over pi degrees, or you can put that right there. Now let's do some conversion. So 45 degrees, let's write our expression here. 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi radians. So 1 degree is equal to 2 pi over 360 degrees. So 45 degrees, this is in radians up here. 45 degrees is going to be 2 pi over 360 times 45. So we divide this over here. This is going to give us 1. This is going to give us 8. Divide this through 1, 4. So this is going to be pi over 4 radians. So let's convert 750 degrees to radians. So we start off with our expression. 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi radians. And then 1 degree is equal to 2 pi over 360 radians. And then 750 degrees is going to be 2 pi over 360 times 750. So let's divide this through. We divide this, you should get 25 here, and then you get 12, and then you have 6 over here. So you're going to have pi times 25 over 6 radians, which is going to be 25 pi over 6 radians. So this is how you convert from degrees to radians. Now let's look at how we can convert from radians to degrees. So we start with our expression is going to be 2 pi radians equal to 360 degrees. 1 radian is equal to 360 degrees divided by 2 pi. Now pi over 6 radians is going to be 360 divided by 2 pi multiplied by pi over 6. So pi crosses it out here, and then we have 360 divided by 2 times 6. So we cross this out, we get 60. We divide 60 by 2, we get 30. So this is going to be 30 degrees. We do the same again here. 2 pi radians is equal to 360 degrees. 1 radian is equal to 360 degrees divided by 2 pi radians. And then 9 pi over 2 radians is equal to 360 degrees over 2 pi multiplied by 9 pi over 2. So pi is going to cross out pi. 2 crosses out 360, we get 180. 2 crosses out 180, we get 90. So we're going to have 90 times 9, which is 810 degrees. So you will notice with my approach, I start off with the circumference and the sum of angles. Some may tell you to memorize the 1 radian or 1 degree, but I just believe if you start from there, it's easy for you to follow through and get your answer more correctly. There isn't much need to memorize in this case. Just understand the flow of the process and you should be fine with converting from degrees to radians and radians back to degrees.